Hey guys, George Fuller Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at SeaWorld on a very warm day, but we're here in Penguin Trek, the glacial area, with all this ice in Florida. What? But as you all know, this is where they have the Penguin Encounter, the new Penguin Trek roller coaster. And they made it definitely feel like you're in the Antarctic, which is fantastic. So there's Penguin Trek, but there's also the Penguin Encounter, which is over that way too. You can go in, the room is 32 degrees. You can see penguins up close and personal. Penguin Trek coaster is right there, zipping by us. But I wanted to show you while we're here that Glacial Collections. It's a store right here tucked in, and you'll literally walk by it if you're not careful. So walking in, you immediately see you got the stuffies. You gotta love the fact SeaWorld loves their oversized dolphin and whale stuffies. They're just fantastic. So you got your beluga whale there, you got your dolphin, and you got this guy, which I gotta tell you right now, probably is gonna be my favorite. You got your walrus. Now, the prices on these are $69.99 for your walrus. So that's probably the average. It's a smallish store, but it really kind of captures the whole thing really well. I mean, it's kind of cool. They have the penguin right there. So you have all your SeaWorld hats and accessories in here. I gotta tell you, the SeaWorld rescue hats, stuff that they do, because SeaWorld is just so focused on rescuing and preserving wildlife, is really awesome. And then what I've noticed, if I compare this to our Disney videos, their clothing and accessories are very adult, teen, tween kind of focused versus little guys. These sweatshirts are fantastic. This one's $69.99. It's a pullover with a high zip, and the back is awesome. SeaWorld. They have a zip version right there, same price, same back, which is great. Then they go back and they really do continue to push through the rescue piece. That's another $69.99. And then I love these blue ones. They're great shirts. And then they do obviously have to have their t-shirts. You have to have the t-shirts. They're $20.25. You come here this year to celebrate your visit. They're $29.99 each. And then you kind of go into Elmo. Now they do, for those who don't know, have a Sesame Street land here. We have a fantastic video on the parade during Elmo's birthday. But these are lumberjack shirts for Cookie Monster and Elmo. For little guys, it's awesome. This is the entire Sesame Street section. With the orbs and all that. And right now, they're 50% off. What? And then again, we have more hats here, but what we do have is great shirts and sweatshirts that are on sale. Why are the sweatshirts on sale? It's getting hot in Florida. And they do have all their pins, which are really, really very cool. So this is all the pins that they have. And then we kind of come through anything with, again, adult-ish t-shirts. They do have kid stuff, but it really does not have whimsical, playful, brightly colored stuff. It's adults. As we come back through on this side, what they do have again is all the plasticware and their souvenirs and their 60th anniversary book, because it is SeaWorld's 60th anniversary. And these are really a mix of SeaWorld fun kid stuff, and they are Sesame Street driven. They're the vintage SeaWorld characters. These are ones back in the day. And then they do have some housewares that they do have here as well. And then they have the cups and the mugs and then all those wonderful things. And then they have, which is great, the sales rack. Gotta love the sales rack. And then you come through and then really it just continues. And this is a great compact store because you can get through it pretty quick. It's also slightly air conditioned, which is very nice on this warm day. But again, they have all the glassware and things. And then I gotta tell you, I saw these when I came in, and I just think these are fantastic. Little guy slippers, polar bears. They're awesome. They're free. And I can't find a price. But this is just super cute. So this is where all the little guy stuff is. Okay, so you have the little purses, and you have the stuffies that are more kid focused, and the toys. So yeah, so overall, this is a really great store. It's in your Penguin Trek and Penguin Encounter, in kind of the Antarctic glacial area. But this is definitely worth coming out to. The penguin theming is throughout, as you can tell. And it's really just a very nice store with a lot of good products. Prices aren't terrible at all, and they are having a pretty massive sale right now. So, George Florida Parks After Dark. We're at SeaWorld. We're back by the penguins. We're in their store. It's all good. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and guys, we'll talk to you later.